Let's go. Come on. And my phone is just about to die.
There's no charger back here.
That's all right. When I do this, I'm gonna come on.
Where are y'all going for lunch?
I don't know. I thought maybe we might maybe. Oh no, close. Exist
Okay.
now. Okay. Booking has entered the waiting room. Okay.
Okay. So then you go
to
and then
admit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. I'm admitted.
He's gonna be living with his mother there. And going to the attorney's
Okay.
office in Floresville.
It says resides,
Right.
which is in Bear County.
Uh-oh.
So he doesn't need to travel.
Okay. Can you hear me?
And his attorney's in Floresville and San Antonio office.
Okay.
Okay, I can hear you, Judge.
Yeah, I got you. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who do you want to do first, baby? It doesn't make any difference to me.
It doesn't make any difference to me either. I don't think there's anybody in the back today.
Okay, how about Pedro Avalos?
Okay.
Yeah, let's do him first right quick.
Can I get holding three?
Pedro? You want to see the judge?
Well, here's this, but I don't got a charger thing for it to go on. God darn it. Damn it. Shoot. Okay, Mr. Avalos?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm Judge Bodden. I've got you here on, this looks like out of Bear County,
Yes, ma'am.
driving while intoxicated and possession of marijuana.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to read your rights and I'm going to set bond on you right quick. Okay. So you have the right to hire an attorney and have him or her to represent you prior to and during any interviews and questionings by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. If you are too poor to afford an attorney, you have the right to request the appointment of an attorney, and you may have reasonable time and opportunity to consult your own attorney if you so desire. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, and any statement you make can and may be used against you in court. And if you decide to talk, you can stop at any time. Now, you also have the right to be advised of the procedures to request a court-appointed attorney, but unfortunately, you'll have to do that when you get back to Bear County. Now then, it looks like on the DWI, you've got a $4,000 bond, and on the possession of marijuana, it looks like it's a let me make sure that's right. Yeah, $2,000 bond. So you've got $6,000 worth of bonds. So a bonding company, you can contact a bonding company. They may be able to help you. They're probably going to charge you about maybe $600, something like that. I mean, I don't know what else they're holding you for.
That's it, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Well, we're going to email this back over there so you can look this over and see the rights I've read to you and the charges and how much your bond is. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Okay. Let me see. Okay.
One more time, sorry.
Okay. How about Jared Simlinger?
Jared?
Yeah. Jared Simlinger.
Jared?
Yeah. I wish I had him.
Yeah, I see right there. She's on the computer.
Okay. Are you Mr. Simlinger?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I have you here. I'm Judge Bodden. I've got you here on a warrant out of Wilson County. Assault, family violence, impede breathing or circulation. I'm going to read you your rights right quick. You have the right to hire an attorney and have him or her to represent you prior to and during any interviews and questionings by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. If you are too poor to afford an attorney, you have the right to request the appointment of an attorney, and you may have reasonable time and opportunity to consult your own attorney if you so desire. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, and any statement you make can and may be used against you in court. And you also have the right to stop talking at any time. Now, you also have the right to apply for a court-appointed attorney, but this is a Wilson County offense, and I can't give you a court-appointed attorney for Wilson County, but you can apply for one. There's no bond in this case. Wilson County is coming to pick you up. And when you get back to Wilson County, then of course you can apply for a court-appointed attorney over there.
I have an attorney already.
Okay, all right. Well, like I said, there's no bond. They're coming to pick you up. So they will notify Wilson County that you're ready, and they should come pretty quick and get you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Okay, thank you.
We still have the other charges too.
Okay, and that's it. Okay, how about Ruben Gloria?
Who's next?
Ruben Gloria?
Ruben?
Uh-huh.
Ruben? Ruben? You Ruben? All right. Hopefully he's good. What? No, I was yelling at my sister's feet. Throwing stuff up. You have shoes or no? That's all right. You're already here. Go and have a seat.
Okay, Mr. Gloria?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm Judge Bodden. Looks like I have you here on a charge of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, under 1 gram. It's a felony. I'm going to read you your rights, and I'm going to set bond on you on this charge, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so let me get my paperwork together here. So you have the right to hire an attorney and have him or her to represent you prior to and during any interviews and questionings by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. If you are too poor to afford an attorney, you have the right to request the appointment of an attorney. And you may have reasonable time and opportunity to consult your own attorney if you so desire. You have the right to remain silent. You are not required to make a statement, and any statement you make can and may be used against you in court. And you can stop talking at any time. You also have the right to be advised of the procedures to request a court-appointed attorney. An application needs to be completed to determine if you qualify. A clerk will assist you in filling it out. The affidavit needs to be signed. The affidavit is a written or printed declaration or statement of facts made voluntarily and confirmed by oath. You must qualify for a court-appointed attorney. If you meet the indigent standard, you should qualify. Your bond is $20,000. Mr. Gloria, do you have any questions for me?
It's the first time I heard been called like that, so I don't have no questions.
Okay, all right, thank you. But we're gonna send this paperwork over for you to look at. All right, thank you. Okay, all right, he's ready to go back.
Yeah.
Okay, and then let me have David Jinks. He's our last one.
Who is it?
David Jinks.
Thanks.
Oh my God.
Hit the green button flashing in a minute.
Okay,
Me?
okay. All right, David, I've got you here on 3 counts of revocation for forgery. Count 1, 2, and 3. All of them are for forgery. So I'm going to read your rights. I'm going to set bond on you.
Yes, ma'am.
You have the right to hire an attorney and have him or her to represent you prior to and during any interviews and questionings by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. If you are too poor to afford an attorney, you have the right to request the appointment of an attorney, and you may have reasonable time and opportunity to consult your own attorney if you so desire. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, but any statement you make can and may be used against you in court. And you have the right to stop talking at any time. You also have the right to be advised of the procedures to request a court-appointed attorney. An application needs to be completed to determine if you qualify. A clerk will assist you filling it out. The affidavit must be signed. The affidavit is a written or printed declaration or statement of facts made voluntarily and confirmed by oath. You must qualify for a court-appointed attorney. If you meet the indigent standard, you should qualify. David, you've got a $15,000 bond on each one of these. So that's like $45,000 on each one of these. I mean, $45,000 total on these three cases. You have three cases here. Counts 1, 2, and 3. So I'm not sure what else they're holding you on. But
Judge,
for this, you've got $45,000 worth of bonds.
I've got those three papers that they got me, 5,000 on each one, that they sent me over there.
I don't know. I don't have anything telling me what to set your bond at. I don't have anything.
Good.
I don't have
Paperwork.
anything.
They sent me, I've got the paperwork, Judge. There's 5,000 each one, and the judge over there said that they made a teletype error.
Well, I don't know. If that's the case, then the jail will get a hold of me and tell me, and we'll change it. But right now, I don't have anything that shows me what to set it on.
I'm checking right now. I'm checking his paperwork.
Okay, well, look and see. And if it is in that way, I'll change it before we're done.
Please, Judge, because this has been following me for 6 years, and I want it over with, please. Judge. I changed my life. I moved out of Lake Jackson. I'm a church. I take the kids to baseball practice. I don't do nothing like I'm out of here. I don't want to come back. I want to take care of this, go home.
Yeah.
I talked to Judge, I think she retired already, Judge Ray. I had told her.
Okay, Judge, so the only paperwork I had was, I got it, thank you. Was the one I sent you, the warrant of arrest.
Uh-huh.
I had paperwork from the other county, but that was their paperwork.
Right. That was their paperwork when they magged him. That's not ours, right?
Right, yes, ma'am. So he's saying,
Well,
so yeah, over there, they had maxed him for the 5,000.
Okay, no.
right.
But that's
So,
not.
Well, what
So
I
he
don't know, if there was nothing that told me what to set the bond at.
Yeah, there's nothing that says that, so you could do, I'm not sure.
Well, I'm gonna leave it at 15 for each one. And if there's a problem, then you call me and I'll change it.
Yes, ma'am.
How's that?
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, if you find something else out that shows that it should be 5, then you let me know.
No, that's up to you.
Yeah,
Does-
we're gonna leave it where it is right now. So that should be it for me, right? We're done?
That's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
yeah,
Okay,
but
all right, thank you.
Okay, bye.